guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video is one that I am making because I did something horrible and I need to get it out, and here we go. April 28th, 2018. I sat right here and made my first video about Optavia. Good morning, guys. Today is day one. Yes, thank you, Paisley. Today is day one of Optavia. I said to everybody that I needed to lose weight and that I needed to get healthy, and my labs were a mess, and all of that was true. I lost over 50 pounds, have maintained it for a year. No, a year? What am I saying? Have maintained it now for 14 months and feel fantastic. The last video you watched, I was talking about perhaps coming off of transition and just back into the regular world of eating, and I was documenting everything. But here's where this video comes into play. I'm a human being just like you guys, and as best as we can do when we're on program, which is cake. Optavia is so easy. You just eat the food, follow the plan, and you're there. Transition was easy because it's black and white. The company tells you what to eat. The problem is, it's us. We can either choose to follow the plan or not. Bottom line, end of story. Being human, right? I've had the worst, probably 2 weeks I've had in my whole life. Well, no. Me losing babies, that was the hardest thing. I have been going through a horrible time right now. It is not health related. My marriage is wonderful. My kids are healthy, thank God. This is just a situation that I got myself into that is not good. And it's going to take some time to get out of it. Can't elaborate on it, I'm sorry, but I do thank you for all your prayers. But while all the stress has been pushing me down day after day, and the worry and the crying and just everything going on, I caved in, guys. I freaking caved in today. Today was the first day since April 28th of 2018 that I caved in. And when I tell you I ate bad today. Horrible. I had fast food. I had frozen yogurt with Reese's peanut butter cups, sprinkles, and one of those Italian rainbow cookies. I had lots of cheese. I had all kinds of crap. And I am not happy about it. And I wanted to make this video because this is real, right? I am not this Optavia guru. I am just Lori, a girl who followed the plan, who lost all that weight, and who's maintained it all this time. But I'm human, and I have a history of eating when I'm anxious, sad, depressed. When I was on plan, didn't matter. I could be stressed out, whatever. It didn't matter. I was focused and I was determined, and it just was so easy. Being off plan, like I've been all week, not difficult because the first few days were great, but I caved in to my emotions. And I am feeling quite disgusted right now. Disgusted in myself, and I know I'm human and I can just restart tomorrow. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal because this is the first time in that long that this has happened. I'm out of control today. I have spiraled. I'm out of control. According to MyFitnessPal, I am well over 1,800 calories today. I'm feeling it already. Sick. I feel bloated. My stomach looks like I have a food baby in there. Just not happy. Just not proud of myself. And I don't even know what to say. I'm just like, what the hell happened? I spun out of control. I let my emotions take over, and I tried to soothe it with food. That's it. I have had this buildup of emotion now for 2 weeks, and it came to a head today. And I knew what I was doing. It wasn't like, you know, a blur. I knew when I went out for fast food today that I was going to eat it, and I didn't care. And then when I went for frozen yogurt with all these toppings, I'm like, let's get it. I don't care. But I did it alone, right? My husband's not around. My daughter's doing her own thing. So what the hell happened? I'm trying to feed the emotions with food. And here comes the rawness. Here comes my emotion. It is at its peak right now. I am so vulnerable. So I don't want any comments, please, negative, you know, oh, we knew when you came off Optavia this was going to happen. No, that's not the case. Coming off Optavia was easy. The transition was easy. It was just me deciding today to let my emotions take over. This isn't about like going stir crazy for a month and gaining back 20 pounds. If anything, I'm probably up a pound tomorrow from all the water, but I'm not going to gain, you know, fat in 24 hours. I get that. I'm just upset because I let it get the best of me. What the hell was I doing? What was I thinking? At the moment, I wasn't thinking. And I know a lot of us have gone through this over and over and over again. I mean, I coach people about this all the time. And here I am today, June 14th, telling you that I did it. Damn it. I'm so mad. So I went back onto the Optavia website. I reinstated my membership and I ordered some things. And I am going to get myself back into control and do the process over again. Do the process of a month, transition, and get focused. Within a month, I should have that situation hopefully behind me. And yeah, so I am having a difficult time staring at the camera here because I want to look away because I'm ashamed, I'm embarrassed, I'm defeated right now. I am like, how did this happen? I can't believe it. But it happened, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I tell the truth. I say what's on my mind. I don't sugarcoat. Here it is, guys. I blew it today. I freaking blew it. You know, my mind is so, I am just so torn with everything this past 2 weeks. Like, my decision making is poor. I withdraw from everybody. That's common for me. I am snappy. I'm moody. You know, like, this is not me. I'm not proud of it, but I am so freaking stressed. I'm stressed out, guys. I am. There's like only so much you can take before you blow it, and here it is. So I'm making this video to be real with you, to be accountable to myself, and to let all of you know that have been following me that despite Optavia being so amazing and working and just follow the plan and you lose the weight, when the shit hits the fan, our inner self can reappear. You know, follow the plan, follow the plan. That's all I've been doing. That's what I've been coaching. That's what I've been preaching. That has been my life, and it works until you decide to not have it work. It's not that I don't know what to eat off of transition. That's not the case. It's just I'm a stress eater. I'm an emotional eater. I eat when I'm sad, happy, lonely. Like, that's my history. And today was the height of 2 weeks worth of unbearable stress, mental stress that came out physically, and I fed it because I just want it to go away. It's the best way I can describe it. I have been suppressing my feelings. I haven't been true, letting it all out to those who love me. People have reached out to me asking if I'm okay, and I'm like, yep, it's all good. No, it's not. I am a mess mentally right now. I am on the verge of tears all the time. This is a nightmare, you know, and I know it could be worse. Everyone's healthy, knock wood. It's just gonna take a while for me to get through this. And I think the best thing for me while I'm going through this is to get back on the plan, like 100%, because it keeps me focused, it keeps my eating in check, and I don't have to think about anything, and I don't have to be like, well, I'm not on plan, so I might as well go eat something bad, because that was like my attitude today. I just didn't give a shit. I didn't care. I don't mean to curse. I don't normally curse on my channel, but I am just raw today. It's like I want to curse. And you know what? I haven't been working out the last few weeks. I've just, like, everything in my world that was before my situation has just come to a halt. And my relationships with people are very heightened. I got into a big argument with my poor parents over something so stupid. I immediately called them back and apologized, but I am just snappy with everybody, and I don't mean to be. And if I've been that way with you, those people closest to me that watch this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I acted that way. I love all of you, and your concern and prayers for me have been just amazing. I'm grateful, but I apologize because this is not who I am. So I just wanted to make this video and let you all know that starting tomorrow morning, Saturday, I am going to be at the gym, back on plan, getting myself back into that mental focus and just letting today go behind me. Right? I'm just going to, that's it. It's gone. I've eaten. I've had poor choices today. And I'm not going to beat myself up over it. It's done now. Done. Boom. This is how you kibosh. This is what I'm kiboshing. I am finishing this today. This is it. Back on plan tomorrow. So I guess I'll be doing my weekly weigh-ins again. I guess I will let you know what today's damage did on the scale tomorrow morning. But anyway, thank you all for listening. I appreciate it, and I love you all. Thank you all for thinking of me and reaching out. I do appreciate it. I'm grateful. I'm blessed. Stay focused, everybody, because I will be restart tomorrow. Have a good night. Stay focused. Bye, guys.